Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump straight into this tutorial. You can see that my hair is already pre-braided and parted and sectioned already. I did this so I can save some time because I always struggle when it comes to parting. I don't know why, it's just such a challenge. But if you're like me and parting is a struggle, this is how I would recommend you part your hair. You want to divide your hair into two equal sections, so parting it down in the middle. And then you want to take each section and you want to part that section into two equal sections. So what you're going to end up with is actually 4 equal sections, so it should look something like this. You can see that I have 2 equal sections, and I'll do the same on the other side. And then when you braid it, you have 2 equal braids, and you'll just have 4 cute braids to play with, to be honest. So anyways, moving back to the tutorial, I'm using the African Collection jumbo braid, and I really like this braid because it's really silky and soft, and it matches my hair texture a lot better than the regular expression hair. So sorry guys, I sound a little bit stuffy because I'm trying to get over a cold. Anyways, I'm going to cut that hair into 2 because I don't want it to be too long, and I'm going to tease the ends. And this section is kind of boring, I'm not going to lie, but this will allow you to get that tapered look, that, you know, the one that the head is tapered down nicely. That's kind of what you have to do to get it. You can see it here that it's just tapering down nicely. So to prep yourself, what you want to do, you want to divide the hair into probably 4 or 5 sections. Depends on how much hair you want to add to each section. I usually go with 4 or 5 or even 6, depending on what I need. And it starts from small to larger because I want that gradual. It starts small and it gets bigger as I cornrow along. You'll see as I get deeper into the video. So I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm using the Maya Organics lotion, and I'm also going to use some oils off camera, and I'm just going to brush and kind of comb that in. This hair clip, guys, oh my god, it's a lifesaver. It just stops any frizziness happening, any hair getting to the wrong section. It just, oh, I love this clip. So I'm going to use the edge control from Cream of Nature, and I'm just going to add that to my hair because I want my hair to be really neat. I don't want any frizziness. I want a really neat kind of professional look. Well, I'm trying anyways. Starting off with the braid, I'm going to braid as usual, so cornrow as usual. Then I'm going to grab the bit of braid that I want to add. I'm going to wrap that around my little finger, and you can see that my index finger here is very sturdy, so I'm going to wrap it underneath my index finger. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that same braid that I wrapped around my little finger, I'm going to add that to the rest of the hair section. You can see that my index finger remains sturdy. I'm going to continue to cornrow as usual. So I know that's a lot to take in, guys. I can leave some tutorials of people who I think are really good in the description box because I'm trying my hardest to explain. So I'm going to do that again, and if you can watch and see. So as I keep adding hair, the section gets bigger and bigger. So I slowed it down for you guys again here. So I'm wrapping it underneath my index finger, taking the hair from under my little finger, and I'm going to add that to the rest of the section, and then just continue to braid as usual. I have to say, you do have to practice this. It's practice. You have to practice and practice and practice. And even now, I'm still learning, so to be honest. So when I'm braiding my hair down, I actually use a little bit of gel to braid it down, just so my natural hair can blend in with the braid. I didn't add that section there, but I'm using a little bit of gel on the bottom. So I'm going to do the other section again, add my edge control, brush it in, try and make it as neat as possible, and then I'm going to just start braiding again. So I'm just repeating the same process all the way down, and then when I get to the end again, like you can see here, I'm using a little bit of gel. That's why my hands keep going off camera. And I'm just going to braid it all the way out just to the end. And you can see I have 2 lovely braids here. Yay! So once I finished braiding everything, as you can see, I was so happy with this because honestly, it can be hard. I'm gonna lay my edges. Yay! I'm gonna lay my edges with the same edge control. And I'm gonna be using mousse, the olive oil, or mousse, just to kind of wrap. I'm gonna use this to wrap my hair. If you have like a hooded dryer, you can actually sit under the hooded dryer, but I ain't got no hooded dryer in my house, so I'm just gonna wrap it with a scarf. And then I'm actually gonna dip my hair in hot water as well. I'm just gonna dip the ends in hot water. And then once I finish, this is the finished result. And this is just a really cute protector style for the week, and I rock this style regularly because it's just so easy for me. If you did like this tutorial, guys, please give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and let me know which videos you want to see from me next. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.